Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to the moment where we discuss the market. Yeah, the market is a bit slow for today. We have a bit of pullback for all the stocks. Good morning, Vic, Lazy, George. Yeah, Bitcoin saw it looked like it bringing everything down with it. Okay, so we got yeah, Sally, Zach is here. Good morning. So we got the VMA, still good or not? Night Rider, let me know if you hear me right now on the live streaming. So I'm gonna check the stock that you asked me about right now. CDT is not good, man. Florine, one of our new elite member, asked about CDT chart. So CDT, it is a bit risky play, man. It could be good if we held here the 1067. Otherwise, we might flush at the market open, so it's a bit risky play. LAES from yesterday is still holding the current bottom, which is the 516. RGTI the same. Today is not beautiful day for the day trade and unicorn stock because we don't have a good setup technical wise. I check the market right now and we don't have anything looking beautiful. Okay, let's see. VMAR. Let's see if this one looking all right. VMAR. Yeah, is getting near the bottom, $1.99. So this one could be good if we held the $2. Otherwise, would be not good. So we've got the $2 as a support. So if we held at the market open, we might have a nice reversal entry here. Yes. And profit taking should be around the 250 or below the 250. So yeah, VMAR looking interesting for a reversal. Jennifer, be careful. VMAR, if we broke the $2 is not good for today. So if you are 2% down, there's a chance to exit at least with a little profit around the $2.80 if we reverse. However, right now, the stop loss or support for you at the market open, it is here, the $2. Because if we broke the $2, mean this one is gonna go down, down we go. You see, we have this trend is about to be broken. So at the market open, if we broke this trend, which is bearish, we're gonna have a squeeze up for VMAR. So I'm gonna keep it first here because there's a chance for a reversal. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys and girls. Guys and girls, how you doing, guys? How everybody doing? Let's see. But for VMAR, we have a limited shares to buy. We could just buy 85 shares, so it's not good to play this one. It's not worth it. CDT looking interesting right now for a reversal. Yeah, CDT looking really interesting for a reversal right now. So guys, the CDT started to reverse. The 10 cent, it is the current support right now. This is the current support, guys, for CDT. CDT could be good for today if we broke the 13, which is the profit taken as well. So we got the 1350. It is the resistance and profit taken for CDT. Support 1067. So I'm gonna put CDT number one. After that, we have LAES. It looked really good for today as well. RGTI, I'm gonna take it from the list. ZVSA, nope. So VMAR, guys, looking good, but I'm not trading it because make no sense because we could just buy 85 shares. So if you live in Europe, we have limited time, shares to buy VMAR, which is the penny stock, just in Europe. Just in Europe. But it looked good technical right now. technically wise, it look really interesting for a reversal for this one. Let's see. We got Delta Air, guys, jumped and hit our target resisted around 67.48. Now it's pulling back. So we've got yeah, WA and Dow. WA could be good for today if we dipped. Yeah, we have a dip here around the 10.18. We almost hit the 11. This one, if you're wondering, guys, we got good earnings. That's why jumping today. Pretty good earnings for WBA. I'm waiting for a dip at the market open around the 977 and the 1018. Let's see here, 6% and here 3%. Dow, the same. We have a support around 64. If we held, it might be good for entry. I'm waiting for the market. The market is a bit red for today. Yeah, it's a bit red. Everything's pulling back. Crypto or Bitcoin, it is, yeah, pulling back as well a bit, but we reverse from the bottom here. Anyway, so guys, hit the like button on the way in. CDT still holding. CDT is still holding, but is it it's still risky, man? It's still risky for today, but still holding the support. VMAR testing the resistance. So yeah, today we don't have a good setup, man. We don't have a strong stock right now in pre-market. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Hit the like button on the way in. XHG. We got KAVL. Let's see everything. SANA. Guys, I'm checking all the requested stocks here to see if we got something, because the market, it is a bit bearish here. Let's see those stocks. XHG. Whoa, this one looking really great, guys. Nice. This one looking great. KAVL. Nope, not that good. SANA. No good. So yeah, we only have XHG. Wow, this one looking great, man. Who brought this one? Yeah, fake. Thank you. This one really good. But we getting near a resistance right now around the $3. Yeah, this one looking great, guys. We got the target $2.30. We might hit it before the market open. So let us go to XHG, guys. XHG. But again, man, what's going on, man? What's going on, man? XHG, guys, the same. We only have limited price to buy. Let me just show you. There is nothing. We could just buy 140 shares. That's it. So it make no sense of buying XHG right now, even though it look really good, man. The technical looking good. So we got XHG and VMAR. Both of them, we have a small limit to buy, so I'm gonna put them on the other list because they are not good to buy for us, at least in Europe. Jimmy, 99% no good so far. Exactly, man. 99% of the stocks are really terrible. Terrible. Someone said Walmart. Let's see Walmart. Well, yeah, here. What's going on? Nothing much, man. Nothing not much for Walmart. Yeah, it's pulling back. It's still strong, but there's no entry here. So yeah, we only have CDT now, LAES from yesterday, and ZVCS. Dell is still pulling back. WBA still holding here. Yeah, Dell could be good. Yeah, now it's pulling back, guys. Dell was really great early. Yeah, we did 10% for today. Now it's pulling back. WBA, I'm gonna put alert here for a pullback. So yeah, Tesla is holding the support, guys. I need Tesla and Palantir to dip more. I need them to dip. FUBO update, of course, I'm gonna check it for you, Jason. FUBO, I put it on the other list. Holy moly. Let's see FUBO together, guys. FUBO looking great. So I'm gonna put FUBO on the list because it is about to test this resistance. We might have a breakout today around the 659. Bottom should be around the 434, but if you just calculate here, yeah, 25% down. So we have to update the support. Support is around the 506 for today, brother. And the target is the 790 and the 940. Let's see how much we can do. We can do 60, 30% here. Yeah, it looked really good. FUBO, if you see in the big picture, FUBO is really strong. Look at that. Last jump was on Monday. This week, we jumped almost 300%, and we're still holding the gains. So FUBO is still strong, guys. The first support 5, second support 430. Bottom is 311, resistant 660. And if we jumped here, make sure to take profit around the 717 just in case, because we might get shorted before the 790. So FUBO, it is on the main list here because it's strong. And we got question here. Resistant is 689, right? Which one? 689 for what? No, you mean LAES? We already reply here. 689, it was early in the pre-market, but now it's 577. I already replied on this question for Dexter because he asked me the same question, Night Rider. 577 is the current resistant now. You are welcome, Jason. LAES, guys, remember the 5, even the 5 here, yeah, 577. It is the current resistant right now for LAES. I'm gonna put it around the 580 just in case. Yeah, and current support on the 5 minute is the 520. So be careful, guys. For LAES, if we're gonna have the same reversal that happened yesterday, we need to hold here over the 520, break the 580 to go higher around the 680. Otherwise, if we don't break this orange line or the resistance where the short seller added their position in the pre-market, we're gonna have a dip around the 425. So the best entry after that, if only if we don't break this resistance, it is the 425. Just right there. So be careful. LAES, yes, it had a really good reversal, almost 100%, but remember, it dipped 60% yesterday. 60%. CDT is still pulling back. VMAR, guys, is breaking out. Watch out. VMAR is breaking out from our resistance here. Now it's going toward the $2.50, which is the resistance now. This is a resistance right now. Yeah, LAES is still holding here. CDT, it is dicey right now, man. It is dicey. If we broke the 1050, is not good anymore. Will be really bad. Pretty bad for today if we don't break this level. If we don't hold the 10 cent. If we don't hold, I'm gonna take it from the list. Yeah, Delta Air is really good, man. Unicorn spotted DTIL. 50% technical, no good, man. I don't like the technical that much for this one. DJT is pulling back. Let's see, DJT. GameStop. DJT is pulling back almost 2%. 3270 is still our support for today. And short seller added their position to yesterday around the 34.84. Yeah. DTIL, I don't like it, man. CDT is still holding the support. Nice. Hit the like button on the way in, fake XTIA. Whoa, we have some news, reverse split news, man. Reverse split 1 to 250 for XTIA. That's why we went down to 28%. So don't touch it. This one, I'm not gonna touch it right now. Good morning, everybody. Hit the like, subscribe, because we always go live every day, guys. Every day we're going live. Tomorrow there is no live streaming because the market was closed. If you're wondering. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Market is about to open at any minute. Market is about to open at any minute. So let us do the strategy for today. The strategy, the game plan, whatever you want to call it for today. The game plan we always do here, if you're wondering, guys, on our pre-market live streaming and the live streaming that we do around 7 a.m. Eastern time. This is the preparation, guys. Preparation we always do early. TPET, last update, we did it here on our live streaming. We did the DATS, hologram, mini update and alert. Let's see, TPET, what's going on with this one? 60%, now 12% down. Yeah, we didn't break the resistance around the 257, so I don't recommend trading this one. So FUBO is still number one here. RGTI, BAER. I don't like this stock anymore, guys. No good anymore for this one. No good. Let us see if we got something else here, because we've got just 8 minutes left. Let's see. Top gainer for today, VMAR. Yeah, 54 for this one. We got DTIL 50% healthcare, but I don't like it as well. ZVSA, we got it here. It is still below the 190. Let's see if we got another support for this one. Yeah, this is the trick for this one. We don't have yeah, the support is a bit far here around the 144. Lower the resistance just there. How much we can do here? 20% here. ZVSA could be good for today. Okay, MVST hologram is coming, guys. Hologram is coming here. Hologram coming to the list. But still light on volume. Hologram. So hologram need to hold over the 240 if it want to reverse. Because we got shorted big time, guys, from the $9 right now, just $2. Holy moly. This is crazy, man. This is really craziness. You see, hologram is those kind of stuff, guys. You have to enter and exit very quickly if you don't want to get like be a bag holder. This is the worst case scenario. If you buy those stocks and hold, look at this. Look at this. If you bought and still hold, you lose all the game. If inverse V shape, the jump happened back in Friday, and this Friday it's going down to the same price that we jumped from. You see, from the 180. This is madness, guys. Look, from the 180 until 400% in just 4 days, and if you're still holding, you'll be down 75% from your gain. This is only if you entered around the bottom, which is really rare for a really good entry for this stock. So as we said, guys, we always warn you about the exit, because if you don't know how to exit, you be stuck in this kind of trades. And once you buy at the top, it would be hard to exit, man, to take the loss, almost 75%. So hologram could be good for today if we held the 250, otherwise would be not good. So I'm gonna put it on the maybe list as well here. What else we got? SCNI, Zcar, of course, jumping. Top loser for today, we got DATS. Yeah, some of you asked me about this one because you want to buy the dip, I think. That's why you asked me about it. DATS flushed down yesterday 64% and now is reversing big time. Wow, this one looking interesting, guys, for a reversal here. Yeah, because it held the bottom perfectly here. DATS with hologram, I'm gonna keep them here for a chance for entry. We got JSPR 60% as well. RGTI, QUBT, INQ, QBTS. Wow. Trending stock, of course, NVIDIA #1 still, AMD, RGTI. Man, nobody took the place of NVIDIA for trending stocks for months right now. But if we check NVIDIA charts, I can't see an entry for me here. I need more dip. Yeah, dip here, but I need the dip to go toward the 126. Anyway, yeah, NVIDIA looking interesting for a dip. Wow, I think we have reverse split or something. Yeah, we have split 10 to 1 back in June. Yeah. Anyway, guys, let's get right to it. The market is about to open at any second. Remember, guys, to hit the like button on the way in. because we always go live every day to hunt for the market live around 9 a.m. Eastern time. So we got 2 minutes left. So remember, disclaimer for today. Remember, our live streaming is a bit delayed. We are not financial advisor, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. And of course, you can join our Discord and Patreon for early hunts, early access for the precise entry and exit on our Discord, of course, where we do a short analysis update, we do live streaming, pre-market updates, swing trade, crypto trade, whatever. We cover it all. Dexter, if you invested 1 billion when it's you can have nothing left now. Exactly. So guys, let's get right to it. Let's get right to it. We had 1 minute left, boys and girls. XHG, this one looking interesting. Yeah, but we can't buy more than 100 euros. The same for VMR. DATS and hologram came from the bottom, so we might buy them. I'm gonna put two swing trade stock, Dell and WBA, guys, for today. Dell, WBA, Tesla, PLTR, SMCI. Okay, let's see. Yeah, yeah, nope. WBA, yeah, Dell looking great right now for a reversal at the market open. If we held the 64, it would be great. Let's go. Let's go. The market is open, guys. Let's see. CDT. Nice. CDT, guys, looking great. If we held the 10. LAES, the same. Guys, looking great for breakout here. ZVSA. FUBO still holding. Hologram. I'm going to take it from the list here. DATS, the same. I'm going to focus on those stocks. SMCI, nothing much. Palantir, nothing much. Let's see. Tesla, nothing much. Dell, WBA, jumping. Dell, CDT, guys, looking pretty good here for a reversal. The 1059, as we said, it is the support. Make sure to take profit right now, guys. If you already entered, this is a resistant area. Current resistance right now we might hit is the 1288, and after that we have the 15 and 18. Dow is still pulling back. WBA is pushing back up. Tesla still holding the supports. CDT, yes, is pulling back a bit. LAES tested the 585, guys. This is the resistance as we discussed today. If we don't break this resistance now, we're gonna flush down for LAES. Be careful. Yeah, Dow is pumping up. Yeah, Nvidia going down. FUBO jumping. LAES is pulling back. Wow. And this one, yeah, Dell is strong right now. If we held the 64, would be good for Dell, for Delta Air. If you're wondering, we got good earnings for Delta Air pre-market. WBA the same. It hit resistant right now, WPA. 20% gain. What a huge jump for WPA. WPA, it is dangerous right now because we're testing the 1114. Dow is still going. FUBO, NVIDIA, nope. Yeah, FUBO is still below the $6.45. Let's see, XHG going, VMR. Wow, VMR, we have a nice breakout here. So now is clearly we're gonna have a test toward the 294, which is the current resistance. LAES, be careful guys, LAES, it might flush right now. LAES might flush at the moment. Okay, so this is leave us with ZVSA is really good. WBA, Tesla, Palantir. Wow, WBA is still squeezing, guys. Dow is still squeezing. ZVSA is pulling back down. Okay, so ZVSA is pulling back. Yeah, short seller added their position around the 180. Let's see the other lists. FUBO, the ATS, hologram, VMAR, guys. I'm gonna keep it on the list here because it look really good. VMAR, guys, make sure to take profit right now around the 294. This is the current resistance right now for VMAR. We might get shorted here. Yeah, VMAR, it could get shorted right now around the 294. CDT game over here, broke the support. Yeah, CDT, I don't like it anymore, man. So I'm gonna take the loss here for this one. I entered with small position. So CDT, I don't like it anymore. Let us go here for VMAR. This one as well, we have just 85 shares to trade with VMAR. But now we should exit for this trade as well, because it tested our resistance right now, which is around the 294. Yes, this is the resistance. ZVSA, no good. Dow, really strong. This one, strong as well. Tesla's pulling back. Palantir the same. Let's see the swing trade, the other one. Coinbase down, right, down big. Emu is down as well, Rocket Lab. So the best swing trade for today is WBA and Delta Air. What a crazy jump for Delta Air, man. Really good jump here. Be careful, we might have a new high for Delta Air for today. If we broke the 67.50. Uh-huh. Now testing again. So we got another support now for VMAR 245. Let's see. Jalene, no, we don't give a signal, but we expected the price to go down, but it went up instead. I was waiting for the dip for Delta Air around the 56 and the 54. But yeah, it went up, and we said early in the live streaming, the 64, it is this the support. So the signal we give it, it was after the earnings, after we confirmed the breakout. We said the 64, it is the support. So we said if we held here, we're gonna continue to go up. So yeah, the signal we give it after the earnings. Back here on our Discord, we give it already on our live streaming, yes, that we did around 7 a.m. Eastern time. WBA is pulling back. The same for WBA. We said the 1120, it is the target resistant and profit taken. VMAR, guys, is squeezing. This one, it is squeezing. We got a resistance has been tested right now, so be careful. Yeah, we might have a pullback now. Oh God, Dal is going to the moon, man. It's going to the moon. Yeah, we're going. Guys, Delta Air is mooning. Okay, ZVSA, I'm gonna take it from the list here. LAES is jumping. Nice. FUBO, nothing. DATS, nothing. Hologram. So yeah, we only got LAES, which is squeezing right now, guys. LAES is really strong at the moment. I think is halted right now. Yeah, LAES is halted, guys. LAES halted. It held our support 517 perfectly, and now it's going up. VMAR the same. It's going toward the 362, and Dow have a new high. If we held here for Dow, we're gonna continue the 66.97. If we held here, guys, it means Dow will continue the squeeze. WBA, the same. This one might squeeze for today if we held here, the 1098. Yeah, WBA guys is squeezing. Tesla nothing, Palantir nothing, WBA is squeezing, Delta Air squeezing as well. Good morning, everybody. What up? What up? What up? What up? Hit the like button on the way in. Today is Friday. Night Rider. It is a bit too late for entry for Dal, but if you want to enter, there's a support to watch out for, which is the 66.97. Already put alert here. So as long as we hold here, this one will squeeze up. This is it. The other entry was here, 64. WBA, the same. We have the 1098 as a support. Now the target is 1183. WBA could continue the squeeze. Let's see WBA if we're gonna continue. Dal, WBA. It is a bit dangerous for WBA, man. Yeah, WBA is a bit dangerous now. It's kind of overextended, but it's really strong. VMR, guys, it is on the pullback zone. We got big seller here, $3.60. LAES, guys, unhalted. We got the big seller right now around the 629. The squeeze will happen if we broke this level, the 630 for today. So the best trade for today, it is those three guys. The rest is history. VMR and LAES for day trade. Swing trade is WBA and DAL. WBA is still squeezing, guys. This one is still squeezing. Support right now is around the 11. Dow is the 66.97. If we held here, this one will continue, man. CDT is pumping. Yeah, I took it from the list because It is tricky trade, man. It pulled back, then it pushed back up. No, I don't trust that man anymore. After this fake out here, I don't trust it. CDT, not my cup of tea, man. The best one is VMAR and LAES. WBA is pulling back a bit. DAL is pulling back a bit. ZVSA game over. FUBO is still a bit weak. Hologram weak. XHG weak. Tesla pulling back. You know what I'm gonna do? So don't miss those trade. I'm gonna put alert for Palantir. Shut up. Yeah, Palantir alert there. And for Tesla, yeah. Yeah, for Tesla, we need to break this support, man. SMCI, we have unusual buyer around the 31.47. DAL is still strong. WBA is still strong. What a day, man. What a day we got today. Tomorrow is my Friday. What you mean? Today is Friday. Okay, let's see. MVST and HOTH. We got what else here? Neo. OPTT. Okay, I'm gonna check, guys, those stocks if there is an entry for them. WBA still jumping. Delta is pulling back. Wow, WBA, what a nice trade, man, this one. Yeah, it's really strong. But it is dangerous, man, to buy here. Neo, it broke the support, brother. No good for Neo, man. It might go now toward $4. Neo, warning, guys. Really weak. HOTH, on the other hand, it is reversing here. Um, maybe for later action. MVST, the same. Technical is a bit shady. Yeah, this one maybe for later. 34% is pulling back down. Still, VMAR is number one right now with LAES. Delta Air and WBA number one for today because of the huge earnings for both of them in pre-market. Both of them are strong. Delta Air could be really good for Delta Air if we held the 67. Yeah, WBA, what a crazy jump for today. A crazy jump for this one. 25% and still going. If we want to enter again for Delta Air, we could risk, yeah, 2% here. WBA, yes. It's time for a pullback for WBA, guys. It did a perfect move, but for my opinion, should pull back before the 1180. It did a great move, so now it have to go back. The same for Delta Air. Guys, don't forget to hit the like. Z car. MVST, we already discussed it, guys. I don't like the technical that much. I put it on the waiting list for later. Yeah, MVST looking all right if we broke the 286, but now is not good. For now, VMAR is the one. Mm. Whoa, VMAR, guys, is about to squeeze here. LAES, I think, no good, man. We got halted up. Short seller added their position here, and now we halted down. Let me just check if we are actually halted. Let's see the halted stock for today. We got where a second. LAES, yes, here is unhalted right now. Yeah, is not halted. We got not AMD but AIMD, SMSI, not SMCI. Be careful. Those two stocks are tricky because we got SMCI and this one is SMSI. Okay, let's see those two that got halted early at the market open. And clearly they are not good. Clearly, just one glance and I know they are not good. So VMAR breaking out. What a crazy stock this one, man. The only thing that I don't like about this stock is we couldn't buy a lot of shares. We have limits. We have a lot of limit to buy VMAR, but it is the only one that look really good for today. The rest, it is not good. Yeah, the rest, it is really hideous. So VMAR is the only one that look pretty good. We got another support right now for VMAR around 438. The breakout happened here, guys, just before the market opened. It was perfect. We discussed this breakout before even the live streaming. We warned you guys about this breakout. If you came early today on our live streaming, you could have saw this breakout that happened here before the open. It was perfect entry here. Crazy good entry. We have the breakout at the market open. We continued the jump, and we continued the jump. Now 135%. LAES, it was good for entry around this bottom, and the exit was there around the 629 after the unhalting. Now we have to wait for retest around the 630. Otherwise, this one will continue flashing down, guys, if we broke the 517. Now we are between the big seller from above and big buyer from below. So we are in between. WBA, this one had a huge earning. Guys, this one is a swing trade, not day trade. For Delta Air, the same. Going to all-time high around or below the $70. Huge earning. This is the first time, guys, since 2 years or more for Delta Air do more than 10%. We never have this before. Strong earning, guys. Before we always have this kind of jump and then dump, or dumping down after each earning. For this earnings, different story. Different story for Delta Air. WBA 25%. This one, man. I didn't expect this kind of strength for this one. WBA and Delta Air were the best swing trade for today because the rest is red here. SMCI reversing. Tesla still down. Palantir still nothing. So today we don't have a big red day for buying the dip. Okay. Let's see cryptos. Still in green. Nothing much happening here. Yeah, it's pulling back now for VMR. WBA is still holding up. What's gonna be, guys? Delta Air. Are we gonna have the 66.99 tested again? If we tested this level and hold over it for today, guys, Delta Air will go toward the 70 or over the $70. Otherwise, we're gonna correct, go down. Let's see if we hold this level, guys. This is a critical zone now. This is a really critical zone. Night Rider, INTZ, and FUBO, any good? FUBO, yes, of course, clearly is good in the big picture, but it's not good for the day trade because it's a bit weak. You see with me here, brother, we have a struggle to break this trend here. So now it is on the downside. It's better to wait, man, for a dip. If we didn't break this white line, as you can see here, around this resistance, and the $6.50, is better to wait for the dip. The best dip should be this time if we dipped around the $3.79 and the $3.11 for FUBO. The other one, INTZ, I don't like it anymore, man. It's not good. Let me just check again. INTZ. No, INTZ is not good anymore, man. Don't even bother. It is no good here for me to trade. I don't trust it. I don't trust that technical. SMCI is moving, yes, but again, I don't trust the technical for entry, at least. Yeah, it's moving, but still below the resistance, the 34.20. So I'm not interested from this reversal. And it reversed because we have the 31.47, which is the current support, of course. So if you want to have an entry, make sure the 31.50 is your support. Otherwise, don't risk it because we might continue to go down toward the 28.80, which is the best entry. Yeah, Tesla, we might have a good dip for Tesla for today. Delta Air still holding the support. WBA pulling back. Okay, now we have a pullback market, guys. Pullback market. CDT looking juicy now. I don't agree, man. I don't like it. Yeah. Make sure, Dexter, to take your profit. Hopefully you took your profit on LAES, man. Nice position, yeah. You should take your profits really quick for LAES, man. VMAR is pulling back toward the first support here around the $3. LAES is going down still. Yeah, we got the huge seller around the 643. Yeah, this is a big seller in place. So be careful, guys. LAES, if it broke the support now around the 517, we might flush down toward the 425. Dow, it is breaking the support or testing the support. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, it's pulling back. Yeah, it's flushing down now. No good, man, for entry. Unfortunately, it's not good for entry here. Yeah, no good. It's pulling back hard. So I might have a good entry here around 64.56. Could be good for entry. Yeah, 64.56. Yeah, we can. Yeah, we have a bit of hold up here. Yeah, VMR held the support. Okay, Dexter, no problem, man. WBA is looking okay. WBA. Does VMR have a low float and then affect how much it squeeze? Let's see. VMR, how much the float here? Yeah, share float is really low. Yes, 2.50. You see, that's why we squeeze really quick for VMR, guys. If we compare it with LAES, the float for LAES, it is around, let's see here, 22.11. So even 22 is not big, but this one is just 2 VMR, really low float. So yeah, it's perfect. But now it's pulling back, guys. If we broke the $3, yes, VMAR will not squeeze more. Instead, we're gonna pull back. LAES is heavily shorted. That's why it didn't continue after the halt. WBA is still strong and still going for a new high. Unprecedented jump. Dow, what a nice reversal here for Dow. It held the 66.93 perfectly. Yeah, no. CDT, I don't like it, man. That's why I took it from the list. I don't trust it. I don't trust this stock, man. Okay, Dow could be good for today if we held the current support here. Yeah, here. If we held the 66.90, could be good for a reversal. WBA, we got another support here. Yeah, this one is the strongest, man. Look at that. VMAR, guys. Held the $3 perfectly. Lunar have a rocket launch upcoming next month. We'll check Lunar. It's still good, yeah. Uh-oh. Dell is kind of getting near. Oh man, Lunar is flashing down here. So Lunar is correcting, guys, is correcting down toward the 16. We might have a test around the 16 before the rocket launch, maybe. Let's see where we're gonna go because we're gonna have a bit of correction here around the 14 even. Yeah, 14 could be a good correction zone. 1437. Yeah, we're gonna see a bit of correction for Lunar. The first level is the 1629. Yeah, 1629. GameStop 4% down, man, today. Double top around the 34, 36. CURR, I'm gonna take it from the list. No good anymore. This one as well, I don't like it. FUBO, still HOTH is not my cup of tea anymore. And MVST, no good for now, but it looked really good later. DAL, guys, we might have a reversal now. Yeah, it looked really good for a reversal. WBA, time for a pullback. Yeah, DAL could be good for a reversal now. If only if we hold the 6690. DAL. It is shady here. Yeah, it's a bit shady. I think we're gonna break the support. Yeah, I think we're gonna break the support here. Yes, sir. I think we're gonna have a pullback. Big pullback for Delta Air. VMAR, the best reversal, man. Really good reversal here, support over the $3. Let us do a recap here, see which one would be good for later hunt. MVST, I'm gonna keep it on the list. FUBO, the same. What else we got here? ARBE, RGTI, no good here. Lunar, maybe later. For the swing trade, Rocket Lab is going down. MU, correcting down. Wow, Coinbase is getting near, yeah, a good dip here. Coinbase getting near a good dip. SMCI, no good. SMCI is better to wait for either another dip or a breakout. For now, there's no entry. For Tesla, the same. I will wait for a dip. Palantir, I will wait for a dip. So I'm gonna put Coinbase on the list for the stock that we might the dip, buy the dip for. Okay, finally, Dow. Guys, this is it. Dow should go down. It should go down because we broke the support, man. I would wait for this dip here around the 64, 63 instead. I don't like it here now. We got, wait a second. Let's see, we got the request stock here. SMCI is moving. Yes. VMAR, yes. We have a little amount of share can buy in Europe. Good morning. How everybody doing? Wow, VMAR broke the support. No good here, guys. Be careful. LAES still between heaven and hell. WBA. Guys, we have a bit of weakness with WBA. I expect to pull back now to correct toward the $11. For Dow, the same. I expected to pull back down toward the 64. Okay, how everybody doing? We've got a huge day. Yeah, still a huge day. I think the best thing to do for today market, guys, is to spot the bottom reversal. So now I'm waiting for the nice dip for Palantir, Tesla, Coinbase, and wait. Today should be a nice day for a dip. The dip, guys. Waiting for the right dip. We need to put traps. Put traps and forget about them. This is the trick. 223.41. Okay, let's see what we got here. GameStop accumulating was good entry for Palantir. Recheck CGBS. CGBS. 50% for CGBS. No, around the $1.11. Wow, CGBS looking great here. Looking pretty good, man. You see, guys, this one, just from one glance, I can see it is good. It is good. Shout out to my brother or my girl. Which one said CGBS here? I lost. Who's the guy? Anyway, LUXH. LUXH. I will see if it's good or not. 10%. No, it's dead, man. So yeah, we got CGBS looking pretty good here for a breakout. We got imminent breakout for this one. Yeah, imminent breakout here. Look at that. Imminent breakout here for CGBS. There's a big seller around the 124. That's why we put him back. VMAR, it is consolidating down, of course, after we broke this support out on the 3. LAES is accumulating. DAL or Delta Air, I'm still waiting for a dip. WBA is still jumping up. This one is really crazy. Yeah, pretty crazy, this one, man. I didn't expect this pump up, man. I didn't expect it, to be honest. It's too much. RGTI, no good, man. RGTI, no good for me. I'm gonna pass. RGTI, no good. Let's see. Yeah, for now, guys, I'm gonna wait for the market to correct. We're gonna do update later on our Discord and Patreon for the precise entry and exit for mini stocks, because now the market is kind of undecided for mini stocks. And CDT, everybody asked me about CDT, man. It's kind of the toxic girl everybody like because she's beautiful, but she's superficial. You see, CDT, man, it's reverse crazy good, man. You see, this one, let me just give you an example about why we didn't continue watching this one. It was okay in the pre-market. It went up, then it went down. So this is mixed signals. This stock give us mixed signals here. It reversed after we broke the support and then went up and hit all our profit taking. So usually before I get angry because I closed this trade with a loss, and if I held it, I could have made 50%. However, if we go back in time, okay, in another universe, the other scenario, it is like this. Go down, I continue to hold, continue to hold, continue to hold, and the price go down and down and down. It happened to me a lot of times. So this one, it was unusual because as I said, mixed signals, once it breaks my support, I'm never entering again. Even if we continue to go higher, I don't trust the stock. So the other scenario we said, if we do this, the same thing for another stock, it could wipe you out, guys. So this is a good example of never say, oh, Jesus, I could have held this one and I could have made money. Yes, but if you did it for another stock, you could have lose all your money that you've been trading for a whole year. So that's why CDT, I stopped trading it early because I don't trust it anymore. But for now, it looked really good if we held the 13.28. And yeah, now it's going toward the 18 again. So now it looked good technically. Before, no. Now, yes, for CDT. 100% continue to go up. We got a few targets for CDT now around the 18 and the 22, but I don't trust it, man. After the fake out that happened down below, I don't trust it. It's the same if you have a relationship with your girl or your man, cheated on you once and tell you I will never do it again. You be you should be extremely careful because if someone lied to you once, it's really hard to trust them. Okay, let's see Dash. What's going on with Dash? Nope. Nope. No good, man. Shad, you are welcome, man. Happy to hear that you found some information be good for you, man. If you don't understand something, just let me know. TBET, no good for me, man. We already checked it earlier. GameStop is accumulating. Let's see it. Yeah, but this is not the right accumulation, man. We have been accumulating in the upstream for months right now. We don't have a drastic jump up. The good thing we are accumulating up, not sideways for GameStop. There's two or three type of accumulation. Sideways, the most common one, then the downside accumulation, and we have the upside accumulation. For GameStop, we have the upside. DATS breaking out. DATS, guys. Whoa, I'm gonna put DATS, so that's on the main list right now because it's breaking out at the moment from the 425. It's going toward the 6. Are we halted for DATS? Let's see. Nope, we're not halted. WBA is pulling back finally. Dow is reverse. Anyway, CDT. Yeah, we got the resistance around the 17 cent right now. XTIA came to the haltation list here. Let's check XTIA. It's halted down and we got 1 to 250 reverse split. Wow. Some of you asked me about this once the price was here. We were halted around the 7. We went until the 3. So no good. VMAR is getting near a support 245. LAES, let's see this one. Yeah, still. DATS is jumping, guys. Really good reaction for DATS. From yesterday, it was the top loser yesterday. Yes, here, VRME. VMR. You mean VMAR? Oh, which stock you talking about, man? Please, which stock? Let's see if it's this. Oh God, we have two stocks looking the same. VMAR and VRME. Interesting. For this one, we got support for it around the 220, resistance 345. And bottom for this one, in the big picture, we have the 117. Yeah, already broke out from this flag. So now we got the 428, 524, and the 640 if we squeezed. Now it's pulling back, man. Yeah, now it's pulling back toward the $2.12. What a day, man, we've got today. What a day. VRME. Yeah, yeah. I got you, man. Already discussed it earlier. CDT getting stronger right now, is accumulating before the 17 cent. LUXH can make you millionaire. It depends on how much money you put it in it. SPPL looking good. Let's check this one. SPPL, if it's look good. Nope, doesn't look good. CDT is about to squeeze here. VMAR number 1, that's number 2, MVST. We got GRNQ consulting services, 34%. Let's check this one, GRNQ. We check CRML. Okay, even the volume for this one, holy moly, over or almost 1 billion worth of volume for Z or for CRML. Almost 1 billion. Yeah, this one. No, it's dead. I think it was yesterday. Yeah, it's dead today. CRML. CRNQ looking all right, but yeah, light on volume. CDT is breaking out, guys. CDT is breaking out at the moment again. Wow, that is really good right now. But it's getting near the 583, the resistance. WBA is still good. Nice. Guys, this is it for now. We have to wrap up our live streaming. Thank you for watching for our live streaming for today. Remember, we're gonna continue our hunts and update the levels for all the day trade and maybe even swing trade stocks here on our unicorn hunts. We do every time, every day. After we finish our live streaming, we always do chart analysis update for crypto, day trade, swing trade, if we have a good setup, of course, for them. And before that, before even the market open, we do live streaming and early live streaming. Once the pre-market open, we discuss the watch list, where the entry and exit from in stocks. If you want to have access, early access, of course, join us to our Discord and Patreon. And in the meantime, see you back on Monday. And have a really great weekend. And plus, don't forget to overtrade. It's not good, guys. If we don't have a good setup, don't overtrade. And thank you for watching, guys, and see you back on Monday.